the new feature of iOS 17.5 of stolen device protection. So let's get started. With stolen device protection, if your iPhone is not in a familiar location, you must authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID before you can take certain actions, including the use passwords or passkeys saved in keychain. So with this stolen device protection, it will prevent potential thieves from changing your Apple ID and critical security features on your iPhone. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your mobile device. And now inside the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Face ID and Passcode option available there. Once inside the Face ID and Passcode, enter your phone passcode. Then scroll down and there you will get to see Stolen Device Protection. Tap on it and toggle the switch on. And for more security, you can simply tap on the Always option available there. Now your phone is secure and safe in unfamiliar location as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.